Nah. Nah. This is the only one I haven't played yet. We're just gonna... No, wait, I haven't played Hitchhiker 2. I'm not playing Hitchhiker. I'm sorry, dude, that he just weirds me out too much.
Ain't nobody do a job right but me around here. I tell you what.
I'll tell you what, little Billy. Can I get through these little cracks? I can't. Oh, bitch. What am I holding? Is that a sharp stick? What is this? What the fuck is this? It is a sharp stick. What does this do? Ooh, shit. I heard the gen... Can I hear noise? Do I just got really good hearing? An old person with really good hearing? Do we see the problem here? Close. And add padlock. Alright, so this exit, which I believe is rear exit, is now locked. There's two different exits over there. There's the... Actually, no, this is at the front. That's the gas station, and then there's the back one right there. They're up there.
It's too foggy.
What the? I'm already tired? Oh, you old fuck.
See what you made me go and do?
No way all three of you can jump down that shit at once. No way all three of you can jump down that shit at once.
Just leave us alone.
You just...
Good shit. Nice. Oh shit, I see them. Nah, bro, I padlocked that bitch. Damn.
What you get?
Strongest fucking wood log in the world. Holy shit. I add padlock to that. Now we know that's the one they're trying to unlock.
Can't focus.
Now we listen.
Clear my head. Nothing.
Oh. Well, hello. That would have been the smart move if I wasn't expecting it. Get it, Leatherface! Where'd he go? Where did he go? Really gonna try to heal right in front of me? Get her. Really? What are you playing? Dead by Daylight? The fuck? Dude, this guy... I feel like he probably isn't downstairs. Maybe he is. Oh, well. I stand fucking corrected, don't I? Well, I know what direction's in it. She's in at least. Come here. Nah, bro. You steal my kill again, we're gonna have a fucking personal issue. They got her. They got... I am so fucking annoyed, dude. Got my shit stolen from me twice. And now because this dude is so goddamn slow, I didn't get the fucking other one. You guys did get it, right? You guys didn't get her! Oh, he found her. And it's that guy. Oh my fucking god, I hate you so much. Oh, what? Dude. Give me it. Yes. I'm glad I just took that into the guy's nose, basically. Fuck him. Fuck you. Well, I mean, that was a good final match.